Are you happy with your life? Pay attention because you're about to finally have everything you want in your life. Today, you'll have the chance to discover how to know what you really want, how to stop waiting for life to happen, how to improve your health, your home life, and even your looks, with just a few small changes. The step-by-step method to become anything you want to be, and the law of attraction revealed and how to use it to get anything and everything that you want in your life. Unfortunately, most people never get what they want out of life. Many people think that life is supposed to be hard, that life is supposed to be a struggle, but that's just not true. If you're not happy right now, and you're not getting everything that you want out of your life, do you know why that is? It's because you don't know how. That may sound like a simple answer to a big problem, but it's so true. Learning how to overcome the inner thoughts that hold you back is the first step to making a lasting change in your life, and finally becoming the person you're supposed to be. I have some really good news for you today. It doesn't have to be hard. Anyone, including you, can live the life of your dreams. In fact, there is a simple formula to get everything you want in life. You can have the life that you've always dreamed about, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get there today. You see, I've helped a lot of people achieve true happiness over the years, and I've put together a step-by-step roadmap for you to finally get everything you want in your life. You'll discover how to identify the things you really want from your life, the simple way to achieve the things that you want to get out of your life, how to become successful in your business or career, a step-by-step plan for improving your health, your home life, and even your looks, all with just a few small changes. And ultimately, I'll teach you how to become happier with the things that you already have. In fact, this alone can change your life very quickly. Inside this guide to building the life of your dreams, you'll get in-depth teaching on things like how to identify the things in life that you truly want, what really will make you happy, and why sometimes what you think will make you fulfilled actually won't. How to use the 5 whys to create a solid foundation for getting everything you want in your life. The importance of role models and how to use the right role models to change your life forever. The 5 needs that must be met if you really want to be happy in your life. Why waiting for life to happen is one of the most dangerous things you could ever do. How you can get started on all of this today and begin to make changes that last your lifetime. Plus the technique that will help you get where you want in life by taking advantage of hidden back doors that you may never have thought of before. The proven technique developed by a well-known 7-figure entrepreneur that will help you reduce fear of change and actually use that fear to your advantage. How to have your cake and eat it too, and why sometimes life is not about either-or decisions. How you can be anything you want to be, regardless of age, education, or financial status, and a whole lot more. This guide really will give you everything you need to change your life, for the better. If you answer yes to any of these, this is for you. You're not happy with your life right now. You want to improve your health, your career, or the relationships in your life. You let fear rule your life to the point of preventing you from doing the things you want to change your life. You know deep down that you want and deserve more out of your life. Or you want a proven plan for getting everything in life that you want. When you make the wise decision to grab my guide today, you'll get everything you need to make a change in your life, for the better. And not just a short-term change. A lifelong change. A change that will help you get everything in your life that you want and need. But the best part about this is the price. Although what you'll learn inside is the next best thing to spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a life coach, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to this for less than you'd spend on lunch for two. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And it gets even better. When you take action today, you'll get access to some extremely valuable Fast Action bonuses. Fast Action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the guide into some very easy-to-follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and committed to seeing a lasting change in your life. Fast Action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of every step you need to apply to see the best results. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast Action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to start getting more from life. And Fast Action bonus number 4 is a beautiful infographic that makes it easy to see the exact steps that you need to take to see the best results in your life as quickly as possible. But you don't have to make a decision today. You get a full 30 days to test drive this life-changing ebook and make sure this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside the course, simply let me know and I'll promptly refund your tiny investment. No questions asked. Don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price may be higher and this offer may not even be available. If you're ready to learn how to get everything you want in your life, today, tomorrow, and for months and years to come, click the button below to get instant access and get started today.